Hi everyone and welcome back to the One Globe 360 YouTube channel. Today's video is all about showing you where I am living here in Barcelona. So it's basically an apartment tour. So first up we have the bathroom. So if I take us in here, we've got the mirror, sink, the smallest bath I have ever seen, which obviously is a shower as well, toilet, so really nice sized room. And then if we head out here, we have store cupboard, extra pillows, duvet, and then a safe. And then to the kitchen. So we've got the hob here, as you can see, and then we've got cutlery in here. We've got a bit of food. We've got my favourite Nutella, which I am absolutely obsessed with. Some baked beans, some tomato sauce, some potatoes. And then in the fridge, not got too much in here at the moment. I need to do a food shop. We've got a Corona, fun fact. Oh, probably one of my favourite beers, even though I'm not a massive beer fan. So, got a few of those in there. So that's the fridge. We've got the microwave, sink, and then we've got the bin, and we've got the plates and the cups and the pans down there. And then as we head into the main part of the studio room, obviously we've got my bed, which I made before I started to film this morning. There I am in my big mirror, which is amazing. I absolutely love this mirror. It's fantastic. And then I've got my TV, and then just some storage space here. Just got, you know, Panadol, hay fever tablets, even though I haven't had bad hay fever here. Obviously, we're still in a pandemic, so I've got some anti-bac hand gel, lots of face masks, and just some loose change. Just sort of my clutter area of just like lots of random things. I also joined my local gym recently, so this is the fob that I have to use to get into the gym. And then we've got my clothes here, so I've got all my t-shirts hung up. Then we've got sort of joggers, shorts, gym attire down here, as well as some of my skirts and like denim shorts. And then here we've got just more storage, so my shoes are here, some chargers, my COVID tests. So I've taken some lateral flows from home. And as you can see, I did 2 over the last couple of days, and they've both come back negative, which is what we like to see. And then as we head over here, we've got my desk set up. So we've got my microphone that I use to record my podcasts with. We've got my laptop. We've got my tripod, which I use to film videos, and then my Apple Watch. And then over here, we've got my sofa bed. So yeah, for any guests I have, my mum's coming in the next couple of weeks. So I've got a sofa bed, which is fantastic. And then the best part of the whole room is, of course, my balcony and the most gorgeous view ever. There we are. So I've got my table and chairs. So at the moment it's just me, myself and I, but like I've said, over the next couple of weeks I'm going to be having a few guests come and stay with me, some family and friends. So yeah, this has been a really quick video today, just showing you where I'm staying here in Barcelona. I absolutely love it. The room is perfect for me. It's just a studio room, so it's not too big, not too small, it's the perfect size. It's got everything I need. The only bad thing is the Wi-Fi is not great, and obviously with all the work I'm doing with One Globe 360 and trying to upload YouTube videos, it's been quite challenging at times, but I can't complain. That's a very, very small problem. And yeah, it's got everything I need. I'm quite close to the busy road, as you can see here, so it's quite noisy. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you've got any like recommendations or requests of like videos you'd like me to make whilst I'm here in Barcelona, and I will do my best to make them. But I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon.